This is a brief overview of the SHER103 AV system newly installed in the renovated building.
System on.
This room has 3 displays, one on each of the side walls there and one in front, as well as the marker board surface in front and the marker board surface under the document camera. Choices of inputs are laptop, cast screen, document camera, and camera preview. Laptop you connect as you would normally with the HDMI cable to your laptop here. If you were doing lecture capture, you would attach the USB to your laptop. Cast screen gives 2 options in here to wirelessly send content to the screens in the room. Cast screen instructor allows just 1 unit then to be sent to all 3 displays, but cast screen breakout gives you the option to cast different user devices to each of the displays in the room using Miracast or AirPlay, or you can also use the Kramer Via app. Document camera is the standard document camera that we have in most of our locations on campus here. And this document camera or the rear camera in the room can be used for lecture capture. We have the writable marker board surface underneath. Setting up the camera shot, you can use the camera preview option, which then puts the camera shot up on the displays in the room. You have options on how you want that to present. You can use auto tracking, which works very good. That's a new feature in this room. You can also use the presets, and you can switch back over to the document camera if you want that instead. That's how you switch the cameras if you're in web lecture capture. So when you're doing lecture capture in the room, just make sure that you choose the right audio settings. Use echo canceling speakerphone, AV bridge 2X for your microphone, and for the speaker in this particular room, you want to use Samsung HD audio drivers. In most of the rooms in Sherman, you're going to be using Extron Scaler as your speaker. The other microphone, the clip-on microphone for web conferencing or lecture capture only, is in the drawer down here. But if you don't want to use that, there is also the ceiling microphone here, which does a pretty good job of picking up what's in the room. And so those are the basics of this system in here. And if you need help, just press the help button and this will give you instructions, but also it has our phone number on there. So don't hesitate to call us, we can be here fairly quickly. This room also has custom source routing. So you can actually choose different sources to go to different displays in the room if you choose. Nice feature. And that's a brief overview of
Laptop HDMI.
SHER103.